We'd like to be amongst the first sacco that taps into the Hustler Fund.
Mubango wa thirikari kuheana Kenya ngombo kugerera kigina kia Hustler ni ukoretwo wiyukitio na njira nene, na thirikari irarongoreria kigina kia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 50, na riu thothaitĩ citiganĩte ni ciambĩrĩirie gwĩthagathaga kuheo gĩcunjĩ kia mbeca ici nĩguo gũcigaya ta ngombo.
Our appetite is huge. I don't think we have a ceiling in terms of what can be provided. We would like to be, right now the Hustler Fund is passing I think 15B. But like I've mentioned, we are at 54 billion shillings. So that tells you even Stima Sacco by itself can run the Hustler Fund alone. But obviously that is not the intention, is to have it shared across the industry.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa Stima Sacco Gamaliel Hassan, Saccos nicio cirĩ na mweke ũrĩa mwega mũno wa gũkomba kuma kũrĩ kĩgĩna kĩa Hustler na gũcoka gũkombithia memba acio, na njĩra ĩno ĩkĩgwetwo gũkorwo no ikinyĩra Kenya ingĩ na makĩria.
I consider this an ingenious enterprise that will further drive financial inclusion in the country. I also believe that the Hustler Fund has come at the right time.
Akiaria hĩndĩ ya kurekereria mathabu ma mbeca ma sacco ĩno, Hassan nĩ ahithũrĩtie mũbango wa kwanjĩrĩria kuheana ngombo gatagatĩ ga sacco citiganĩte.
We believe that our expansion strategy, our focus on maintaining adequate liquidity, and our commitment to improving our financial ratios and performance will anchor us to reach and to achieve our goals, and of course to better serve our members.
Sacco ĩno nĩ ĩrandĩkithirie umithio mũnene makĩria harĩ gũkũria ũtonga wayo, ngombo iria ĩheanaga na ona baita. Mwaka wa 2006 Sacco ĩno yarĩ na ũtonga wa ciringi bilioni 3 kũringithania na rĩu, rĩrĩa Sacco ĩno ĩrĩ na ũtonga wa ciringi bilioni 53.8. Ihinda-inĩ o ta rĩu Sacco ĩno nĩ yongereire mbeca iria ĩraheana ta ngombo kuma ciringi bilioni 2.2 nginyagia ciringi bilioni 42.
The member deposits grew. The member shares grew. The loans grew. The loans give us returns in terms of interests and in terms of the loan repayments. So those are the areas which drove the growth.
We had over 4 billion shillings net profit after tax, which is a slight growth. Total investment income is moved to 735 from 591. This is basically coming from investment in government bonds. As you realize, we have cash. This circle you can get a loan within a day. In fact, ideally even within 2 hours. I must say I'm very proud.
Rosemary Oduor niwe muikarĩri gĩtĩ wa ihinda wa Sacco ĩno augĩte atĩ umithio ũyũ ũkĩte thutha wa kuongerereka kwa memba ayo na gũkorwo Sacco ĩno ĩkĩarĩra mĩtaratara bara nginyo mĩrutĩre-inĩ yayo ya wĩra. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kimani wa Ngũnjiri.